This is the first video demonstrating SMI's MobileID product and its deep integration with the OnGuard access control system. SMI's MobileID product includes two separate pieces of software, SMI Mobile, which runs as an app on a mobile device, and SMI Host, which runs as a service and acts as the bridge between SMI Mobile and the access control system, in this case OnGuard. An OnGuard accessory add-on is installed to the OnGuard server, allowing the SMI Host software to appear as an access panel in OnGuard. Linked to the SMI MobileID server panel are two readers, Gate A In and Gate A Out. Appearing now is SMI Host Admin, the front-end application which allows us to manage the connection to the access control system and the mobile devices running SMI Mobile. In this demonstration we are going to go into the device management section to directly manage the readers that are associated with the mobile device. There are three different association modes available. For this demonstration we will be using multiple readers, allowing us to associate more than one OnGuard reader to a single mobile device. The panel drop-down allows you to select different OnGuard panels that are linked to the SMI Host PC. The Gate A In and Gate A Out readers that we previously saw in OnGuard Alarm Monitoring are displayed under the Readers section. On the left, you are now seeing a live viewing of the mobile device running SMI Mobile. Revealing the navigation drawer shows you the readers that are available to use in SMI Mobile. We will now create a new reader called Gate C Entry in OnGuard. When I press OK, this reader will appear as a selectable reader in SMI Host. In OnGuard Alarm Monitoring, Gate C Entry's reader status is shown as offline. Associating the reader with a mobile device will cause it to show as online in OnGuard Alarm Monitoring. The reader is also now available to select in SMI Mobile. Closing the SMI Mobile app on the mobile device will cause all readers associated with that mobile device to appear as offline in OnGuard Alarm Monitoring. Similarly, reopening SMI Mobile will cause all those readers to appear as online in OnGuard Alarm Monitoring. Within SMI Host, we will now open the Template Designer window. The Template Designer allows users to edit the information that appears when a card is scanned on the mobile device. For this demonstration, we will be adding the cardholder's address as part of the information displayed when a card is scanned. We start by adding a blank label and entering in the custom text. Now we can format the text as desired and resize the text box. We can then add a text field and pick from a range of data fields that have been pulled from OnGuard, in this case cardholder address. Again, We format the text, this time changing the text color to red as well. We can now put a valid card number into the test template section of the designer, replicating what a card scan would look like on a mobile device. Here, Cole's cardholder details appear, including the address fields that we have just created. We will now create a user for the SMI host account management screen. Adding users to SMI host allows you to create a user that has restricted access to certain SMI host settings. To start with, we will add a new user called John. The first user that is created must be an admin account. This ensures that at least one user account has the ability to manage all of the SMI host settings. As this is the first user account we have created, SMI host admin will now restart, and we will be required to log in using the details we have just created. Now we can create a standard user account type. In the permissions box, we can select if we want the user to have any extra permissions. In this case, we want Sarah to be able to modify the device settings and to view and modify the credential settings. We can log out of John's account using the Log Out menu item and now log into Sarah's account. Once logged in, you will see that as a standard user, certain functionality is restricted. This is indicated by the grayed out menu items. For example, the template designer is one of the features not accessible as a standard user. We can, however, access everything in the Credentials submenu, as this was one of the options we selected in the list of permissions to apply. We are also able to modify settings related to the configuration of SMI Mobile on the mobile device. This includes everything listed under the configuration header. We can't, however, change the OnGuard readers associated with the mobile device, as that requires the Modify OnGuard Device Associations permission to be selected.